Hi everyone, welcome to lesson 2 of the therapeutic breath. Today we will be working with counting the length of the breath. Again, we will not manipulate the breath today. We did not manipulate the breath in week 1. We simply became aware of the breath. So just a quick review, we were aware of our breath. We noticed that skill is called interoception. We were aware of the breath primarily with the our sense of smell. Sorry, not smell, our sense of taste, and our sense of hearing. You might be hearing those birds right now. So, week 2. Week 2 is about counting the length of our breath. Begin by closing your eyes, all of the same things that we did in week 1, but this time, without forcing or changing the length of your breath, begin to count it. So I'll count my breath along with you, and then I'll stop so you can do your own. As I inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. In general, my breaths tend to be about 4 counts, 4 of my counts long, sometimes 5 if I'm very relaxed, sometimes 3 if I'm doing things, and of course, if I'm actually in sympathetic tone, if I'm actually running to get something done, they can be really quick, like 1 or 2 counts. Please take a moment now and close your eyes, if that feels good. Find your breath. That's last week's exercise. And then begin to count your breath and just notice how long your inhale is and how long your exhale is. These are the 2 parts of your breath that we're going to become aware of today, inhale and exhale. We'll move on to, there's another 2 parts to become aware of later, but for now, notice the length of your inhale and notice the length of your exhale. This can introduce a rhythm to your breathing. As we begin to manipulate the breath counting can begin to do lots of things, but primarily it brings focus to us. So this is a technique you can use, for example, in meditation, or when you're bored, or when you are trying to focus and calm the mind. You can simply count your breaths. And that is your homework for this week. Please, whenever you have a moment and you begin to notice, become aware of the breath. That was last week's work. This week, when you become aware of your breath, please begin to count the length of your inhales and the lengths of your exhales.